Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy with Cooking. Guys, today I am gonna show you how to make pineapple sauce. This is fresh pineapple from freezer. Okay, and I have ingredients is a lemongrass, garlic, salad, galanka, and jalapeno. This hot pepper right here is not that too spicy. I'm gonna add loud hot pepper in here. Okay, I'm gonna add some more loud hot pepper. So I make this pineapple sauce, guys. Pineapple sauce is like a dipping with the fish, like barbecue fish, grilled fish. So I'm gonna show you how to make this good pineapple sauce. Ingredients not that hard. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, I got the blender right here. So just make things easy. All right, let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead. Add jalapeno in here. So put everything that you like spicy, you add more. I love spicy, that's why I'm gonna add loud hot pepper in here because I love spice. Yep. Just add how much you want, it's up to you. Okay, then lemongrass to make the sauce smell good, galanka to make the sauce taste good, all the herb in here, garlic, salad. So everything throw it down. Okay, pineapple throw it down here. Alright, let's go blend it. I'm gonna add some more pineapple because I make a lot like this. I can eat a lot of time and I put in the freezer. I show you how to save this sauce. When you need it, always pour out and then just let it melting and then dipping anything you want. Okay, let's go start. Okay, I'm gonna add the water. Just make easy to blend it. See everything down here? Alright, let's go blend it. Okay, everything's smooth now. Let's go to next level. Okay, I got the pot over here. Let's go cook this pineapple smoothie sauce right here. All right. And I make a whole lot like that because I need to save in the freezer. So next time when I want to eat, always got it. Very easy. Okay, now I'm gonna start cooking until this get hot and melting together. It looks yummy already. Smells so good, guys. Okay, this is sauce. First I'm gonna add sauce in here, just a little bit first. If not enough, you over add some more. Okay, this is the MSG. I'm gonna add just a little bit, make a taste, just a little bit like that. That's it. And stirring. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Try it. It's very healthy pineapple sauce with herb. Look nice and soft green, yellow green color. Yum. Cannot wait to eat this. Now I'm gonna add fish sauce. I don't need no sugar because pineapple is already sweet and sour in here. It tastes so good, guys. This is dipping sauce. You can dipping anything, but I'm gonna grill the fish and dipping with them. Show you how to eat this sauce right here. So delicious. Okay, this is another loud fish sauce. Okay, padek. We call padek. So I'm gonna add this one. Yeah, that's it. See, that's already boiling, cooking now. Let me cook like 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some more sauce. Okay, let's take a taste. Oh wow, so delicious. Oh my god, guys. You don't believe this pineapple salt right here is just so good. I'm gonna cook down until the water kind of gone halfway. Make the salt very thick so it will be nice and deep, you know, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, I stood down for 20 minutes now. They thick now, so I'm gonna turn off. That's good right here and ready to grill the fish and eat with. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching, okay, guys. All right. On the side, let it cool down. Guys, it's already cool down. This is pineapple salt cool down now. I'm gonna add sugar and add lime to make it, you know, dancing in your mouth, you know. So you need like spice up the taste, lime and sugar cane, brown sugar cane. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of this one, basically 1.5. Okay, 1.5 in there. Okay, just add lime to make like nice and taste, and you're gonna love it. Add more juice. Nice and sour. Pineapple is sour, but they're not very dancing in your mouth, so you want to spice up. Topping this. Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna stir well. This is still warm, so if you want anything like spice up, like make it taste so good, you add sugar, brown sugar, not white sugar, and lime. That's it. And taste. Okay, take a taste. Oh my god, so delicious, so good. You know, smell good lime, nice taste sugar, galanka. You can taste all the herb, lemongrass, hot pepper. Oh my god, you guys, you can try and do it, and then you can dip with anything. You put on taco, you can put on dipping grilled fish, you can dipping barbecues, any kind of meat. So try to put this in the refrigerator. If you don't finish it, put it in the freezer. If this is stay like at least 2 or 3 weeks. So try it, guys. It's so delicious. One more time. Oh my god, I've been in love with this. So delicious. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay everyone, there you have it.